Hey everyone, in this session, let us do some product management in action. So in this session, I will consider myself as a product manager at Trello. Now those who know, Trello is a project management tool for small and medium businesses, and it is a pretty popular product in this area, and it's a very simple product. I will consider myself as a product manager at Trello, and we will go through the entire gamut of product management right from customer feedback analysis to market opportunity study, and then we'll go and collect some ideas from the study. Then we will validate them, then we will do some product planning, and then we will create a roadmap. And then we will go about doing product discovery and then delivery, release, and we will look at some key metrics that we will be gauging for the features that we will be shipping in this session. Okay, so we'll start with customer feedback analysis to market opportunity study, collect ideas to idea validation, product planning, then creating a roadmap, then doing a product discovery, and then delivery, prioritization, all those stuff, release and key metrics. So before we actually get started onto this exercise, I would like to let you people know that we will break this session into different sections. In the first section, we will start by understanding the product, and in our case it is Trello. Now those who already have an understanding of Trello as a product, they probably can skip this section. For others, they can go through this section as it will help them to understand the Trello as a product. So before we do any product management for Trello, we should understand the product in and out. So I will just give you guys a brief demo of Trello, and we will go through some important key features that Trello offers. In the next section, we will go through the customer feedback analysis. In the subsequent section, we will understand market trends in the project management area that Trello is catering to, and we will do some competitor analysis. So we will identify some competitors of Trello and do some competitor analysis to see where Trello stands and what features would make sense for Trello. Okay, and followed by this, we will do idea validation. So we would have already have collected ideas from these three sessions. So we will do some idea validation in this session and do product planning and road mapping. Followed by this, we will do product discovery, then product delivery, and then we will kind of discuss about release and key metrics in our last session. So this is typically a brief session plan which we have, and as we will proceed, we will tick each of these. Okay, so let's get started. In the next section, we will discuss about Trello as a product.